welcome back to G Street Fabrics YouTube channel. Today we have a super exciting video. We are here at G Street with the team members of Project G Street, which is an annual sewing competition that we sponsor. It'll be at the Montgomery County Fair this year, and we have the co-chairs here to speak a little bit more about the competition.
Thank you, Saba, and we'd like to start by saying a huge thank you to G Street Fabrics, because obviously we couldn't do Project G Street without you. And thank you so much for your generosity. And the prizes, so you can't enter this year because you missed the deadline, but you can enter next year. The prizes are fantastic, starting with first prize $300 gift card, and then $200 if you come in second and $100 if you come in third. But it's all, great to have. So if you can't compete, because you can't compete this year, you can come check out the runway. So our designers will be sewing all day, Saturday, August 10th. They're sewing from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And then they're gonna clean up and get their model ready for the big runway at 6 o'clock. That's what you get to join us for. So come participate in the fun, cheer on our designers, and get inspiration for next year when you too can compete. Oh, this year's theme, Olympic Radiance, Sport Infused Fashion. So think about, we don't have a compete from home element the way Project Runway did, but you can think about what would you do for that theme, and then come compare it to what our designers come up with. I'm excited for this year's event and excited to have you get to join us for the runway. All right, thoughts from Maureen. Take it.
I think this has been going on for about 9 years, and Kit and I have co-hosted. This is our second year, and each year is growing bigger and bigger, and we're very excited. We have 7 teams this year, and we're happy to have everybody in this contest.
And we're happy to provide all the fabrics sourced straight from G Street Fabrics here in Rockville, Maryland. And we're happy to provide gift cards and more prizes for the winners, which is basically everyone. Everyone gets a prize. So we're really happy to be a part of this every year, and we're really excited to show you all what it looks like. So definitely make sure to come through on August 10th at 6 o'clock at the Montgomery County Fair to see our amazing teams compete in a sewing competition that is fully G Street, sponsored by G Street, the G Street Project. So hope to see you there, and if you're interested in competing next year, make sure to reach out to me, the creative director, via email, saba@gstreetfabrics.com, to get in contact, ask me questions, and find out more about the sewing classes that we offer here weekly to get you prepared for next year. So thanks for watching. Hope that you come through to the fair, and hope that you enjoy this video. And lastly, I want to say a big thank you to our co-chairs of the G Street Project for their time, dedication, and energy put into this. We all love sewing, but it takes a different type of dedication to organize a sewing competition. So thank you, Kit, Maureen.
You're most welcome.
And thank you to Karen, who put this entire competition together. We couldn't do it without you all, and we really appreciate everyone that's a part of the G Street community.